Good morning, everybody. Pearl and Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with day number 10 of our 2022 Advent Kit.
And
Would you like to open it?
Yes, and Sunshine's right here.
Yes, Sunshine is here. She's sleeping just down below here, but you can't see. What is in day number 10? Oh, get into that one, really.
It's Vince. Hi. Very nice. There we go. Ooh.
What is it?
I don't know what they're called.
These are woodless watercolor pencils. These are amazing. This is actually set 1. There is 2 sets available. Set 1 is included in your Advent Kit. These are great for using in a watercolor coloring book. We'll do some videos on these later to teach you how to use them to get the best out of them. But remember, when you sharpen these pencils, these are woodless watercolors, so every little bit of pigment that you sharpen off can be used to watercolor, so don't waste anything when you're doing that. Another little tip is, just giving you tips on opening days, is hold your pencil in your hand, your water brush in your other hand, and you can literally just take the color off your brush and paint, if you can paint ever so lightly. And you'll see on here these beautiful images Liddell has colored in using our pencils and our watercolor coloring brush. So really proud of some of the things you've got in our Advent Kit this year, including these. Thank you so much for watching. We will be back tomorrow with day number 11. Bye.
Bye.